Hi, my name's Julie and I'm from MBSGlobal PD. In this session, we are going to learn how to set up a cover page, very basic one, insert a text box with some information, and also change fonts and styles. So let's move forward.
Okay, so let's get into this. So first of all, make sure you've got the format showing here rather than the document. And we're going to insert a text box. Now, I tend to move my cursor down just halfway so I can play in this area, and then I use the text box to go on to the next page. Sorry, that cursor. So we insert the text box, pop it in here, and you just basically enter, as normal, the information you'd need. So I'm going to just save some time and pop this in. There we go. So you can see we're sitting in the text box, and over here now this has come up, which is quite good if you're allowed to use different colors and shapes. So if we want to do it like that, and so on. Now for this one, I'm going to just use a plain background, and I'm going to go to edit, just undo that. Whoops, need to undo that color as well. Again, okay, because all I want to do is have the white box with the black writing, but I might put a border on, so I'll go back to style. You can see here's the fill, so you can choose whatever you like. And then in the border, I'll just put a thin border. I just want a 2. You can make it thicker by just adjusting here, but I'll just leave it at 2. And if you want to change the color, you can. If you want to change the look of the line, you can. Okay, but traditionally at schools and universities, they just leave it like this. Now, I also tend to make the headings bold, so we go to the text tab and just click bold. And I'll just do this for each one, highlighting and setting it up. So it's pretty simple, and it's actually quite easy to use. So everything that you need is in the right hand side, and you just type the information in. Now again, we can just move that around, see where we want it. I'll just leave it there. Now, to go on to the next page, we insert a page break. But for this video, that's all we're going to do. We're looking at putting a text box in for the front cover and leaving it at that. Okay, we'll move on to the next video where we put some headers and footers in. I'll see you in the next one.